Hi Teami community, it's Adia Azimi, the co-founder and CEO of Teami Blends, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite smoothie bowl recipes. It is my cantaloupe bowl, and I can't wait for you to watch it, to try it, to eat it, put it part of your daily routine. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I love sharing my favorite recipes with you, and my favorite part about these recipes is that they all take under 5 minutes. You can make them on a Saturday morning, or you can just make them in a smoothie and take it to work. Let me know below in the comments what recipe you want me to make next. Bye guys.